Welcome civil engineers, learn faster with civil engineering tips. Today we are going to learn about the polyline command. When you keep the mouse cursor here, it will give the direction how to make the polyline. So simply we select the polyline and start to draw. And yeah, as usual, you can use the shortcut tools PL. Here you can see P line, which means the polyline. You can either press enter or simply you can say PL and then press space button in the keyboard. Command will then active. So I'll do PL space. It actives the command, and always look the command line specify the start point, and then look into the command, specify next point, or arc, half width, length, undo, or width. You can change this as per your requirement. For now, simply we are making the connected lines. So when we select this a single line, it is all these whole lines are connected when we use the polyline. When we simply use line only, then then after selecting it, it will only select the single line. So the main concept of polyline is joining the line whichever we want as per our requirement. So PL space, then make lines whichever we want. Select the certain part of the line, then you can see the polyline, overall polyline concept. Rectangle itself acts as a polyline. Okay, like, share and subscribe to civil engineering tips to learn faster. Peace out.